la ngaqala khona ngaba khona ney'nkinga isikhathi khona sengihlukene lanto abang-adoptha sengiye kwenye indawo ekuthiwa ise-Hillcrest okuyila khona engafica khona ukuthi la ngafica khona indawo iphethwe abafundisi abaningi i-management nje yakhona imost yabo baba ifundisi and futhi imost yabo ba-gay kodwa ba-in closet.
Oh, okay.
Yes, impilo yami yaqala yaba inkinga lapho ngoba yila ngafika ngaba open khona kodwa futhi kubeni kwami open lapho ngangazazi ukuthi ngiphiliswa impilo ngoba namhlanje ngiyabonakala ukuthi it's okay siyambona ukuthi usiya ugay hayi bekufika belungu bezodonate la beletha amapheni okay siyalala ipheni lithathe bakwazi ukunisa other days ukuthi kuzokushintsha mood umfana awukahle ngabe so sengiphila impilo eningi endaweni yodwa isikhathi esisodwa angisanda sethi la ngiyamukelekile angamukelekanga kodwa ke impi yami ukuba senkonzweni abefundisi abalwanga nami ukuthi mhlawumbe bashumayele ngami balwa nami nje ngendlela ehlukile kodwa ebuhlungu.
A part of Durban Elias Corner. The name of the show is called Jubulili Bami, right here on Black Live TV. Lalelak, ungakhohlwa to like, subscribe and share before you even miss out on the beautiful things and conversations that we always have lana. A big shout out to East Cypher Clothing. Okay, bona basigqokisile for the entire season. Sibahlende sinje. Welcome omunye kusisi othanda ukuthi ayigqokise yena azenza abe muhle. Uyindoni usebenza khona la ekhaya ePOD. She does amazing things. Nalamhlanje nje une show yakhe. Igama lakhe uRoxy Umuke, uShort Bass. Ngimbiza ke Ndoni yamanzi. How are you baby?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila. I'm so happy to see you. Uyaphithizela. Ngiyazi ukuthi une show namhlanje kuningi okwenzayo uhlezi nje uphithizela. Bekumele ukuthi kugcine ngigcinile ngawe ukuthi kahle ube khona la ekhaya. Ngithanda ukuthi ngibonge nje lokho.
Kubonga nami, it's a pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah. Having you to be part of the show has been really much interesting, of which kade ngifisile ukuthi ngikhulume nawe, and I'm really glad ukuthi yena finally uzokhuluma lana. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuningi okwenzayo ngomsebenzi wakho omuhle that you are doing stuff with brands overseas futhi njalo njalo. I'm just highlighting just a few things ukuthi ngimentionele ukuthi iziphi izinto engafuna ukuthi uyishiye kule ngxoxo yethu yanamhlanje. Cela ukuthi uqale ungitshele nje. Ngiyazi awuzalanga uRoxy, wazala ubani? If comfortable, wazala ubani, wakaba isibongo, uqhamukaphi? Bese sithi thathi ngokukhula kwakho. Ngizozama ukuthi ngingene nje in between just to make the conversation flow, noma ngifuna ukucaciseleka la engacaciseleki khona nombukeli ngifuna ukucaciseleke khona.
Okay, ngiphinde ngibingelela again. Mina ke igama lokuzalwa nguSiyabonga Muke, wakwazi isibongo.
Okay.
Yeah, ngizalelwe endaweni yakaMashu. Ngenxa yehixo zempilo ngawo ngibe ngiba umntwana okhule ehamba ehlala ngithi abazali bengasenabo.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngikhulele ezindaweni ezahlukahlukene.
Ongayibali zona ziphi?
Kufana nePinetown, Hillcrest.
Okay.
Yes. uSiyabonga ke ingane ngizosibeka njengengane estrong sesiqale nje lapho. Yes. Ingane estrong engaba umntwana owakhetha ukuthi mangiphuma ngaphandle angafani nesimo sami. Yeah, kuningi kona even now kuningi kodwa I choose ngafani nesimo sami.
Yes.
Nothing much kodwa nje ukukhuleni kwami ngikhule kanzima. Kanzima hayi kancane kanzima. Kodwa I choose to heal ngayisikhetha mina nokuqhubeka phambili. Yeah, nothing much.
Yeah.
And okunye kongisizile ukuthi ke ngasheshe ngavele ngakholwa.
Oh.
Yeah, ngasheshe ngakholwa ngamkelo Jesu even kwafika ikhazi ukuthi sengithanda omunye umsebenzi ongathi uyangiqhelisa enkonzweni kodwa ke ngaba nento yokuthi it's fine kodwa akukho ngabi kwenkosi ngamtshela uNkulunkulu. I think mhlawumbe ngokumtshela kwami that's why like even namhlanje ngisayibona inqubekela phambili angistakile endaweni yethu because of egcinga usuku kuthiwa nasemsebenzini mbizi.
Exactly.
So yeah. So I'm that kind of person kunjalo nje ngikholelwe enkosini kuyona yonke into umnyango engona kona ngena nenkosi.
Ngiyathanda ukuthi yena you mentionile ukuthi yena we Christian and nginazi ukuthi kuningi ezidlula kona as people abanye bethu nje abafana njengami mina because of experience esengiyitholile einkonzweni ezihlukahlukene sengibethe ngikhenza ukuthi okay ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyathandaza ekhaya sengiyasaba ukuthi ngiye enkonzweni ethize. Wena ngicela ukuthi ungitshela bakuphathe kanjani enkonzweni?
Okay, uma sikhuluma ngenkonzo into yokuqala nje uqala ukukhonza ngaqala ukukhonza I was still adopted ngisahlala nabantu abakholwayo uyibona engayincela kubona kakhulu into yokukholwa so ngalezo ikhathi lezo ke ngiqala ukukholwa thank you Jesus ngiqala ukukholwa ngangilendlela abantu abakholwayo ukuthi ngangihlezi ngenkonzweni ngalezo sikhathi futhi ke uqala ukukholwa angizange ngibe namahiqi or inkonzweni okujajeka or izinto eziningi ngoba
okay ngicela uqale phansi lapha ukuthi ekukholweni kwakho ya
okay ekukholweni kwami I can say qala ukukholwa angibanga nenkinga eziningi ngiqala because of ngaqala ukukholwa ngi-adopt abantu avela abakholwayo
okay
so babeya nami esontweni babe ngithatha njengengane ngangakaqami nokuthi I'm gay or kukhona evile engase kuthiwa esontweni ngiyacosika ngayo no but ekuqaleni la ngaqala khona ngaba khona nezinkinga isikhathi sikhona sengihlukene nabantu abangi-adopta sengiye kwenye indawo ekuthiwa ise-Hillcrest okuyila khona engafica khona ukuthi la ngafica khona indawo iphethwe abafundisi abaningi i-management nje yakhona imost yabo baba ifundisi and futhi imost yabo ba-gay kodwa ba-in closet
oh okay
yes impilo yami yaqala yaba inkinga lapho ngoba yila ngapha ngaba open khona kodwa futhi kubeni kwami open lapho ngangazazi ukuthi ngiphiliswa impilo ngoba namhlanje ngiyabonakala okay siyambona ukuthi usiya ugay hayi bekufika belungu bezodonate la beletha amaphendi siyalala iphendi lithathe bakwazi ukunisa other days futhi kuzokushintsha imood umfana awukahle so sengiphila impilo eningi endaweni yodwa isikhathi esisodwa angisanda sithi la ngiyamukelekile o angamukelekanga kodwa ke impi yami ukuba senkonzweni abefundisa abalwanga nami ukuthi mhlawumbe bashumayele ngami balwa nami nje ngendlela ehlukile kodwa ebuhlungu ebuhlungu eyangimosha endaweni engangihlala kuyona as I said ukuthi indawo ise-orphanage ngase kwindawo ise-orphanage so ngase ngithathwa nayingane even umnikazi se-orphanage uma ngibheka wayesebona nje inkunzi yomthakathi
why
okay abefundisi labo as they are gay mina ngumntwana okhule ekhuthele ngikhuthele even now ngikwazi ukuzibambela yonke into ngingedwa so ngiyumntwana okhule ekhuthele lapha na bengizenzela yonke into nje ngiyapheka ngize ngihlule show anti abaqashiwe mengabe anti ekuthamthathona makusebenza isekho leyo grocery le mina ngikwazi ukuhlalisa lokho khona efridge ngipheke kuphuma ukudla zidle zonke lezi ngane ezo-50 egcwele orphanage
nawe okhona
nami ngikhona la so bengile ngane njalo so umama wakhona bese ngibeka phambili ukuthi nje ngingane ekayithandayo so even labo bona
iminyaka umnyama emingaka ngaleso sikhathi
I was 15 or 14
okay
yes.
Yeah.
So indaba isekutheni lapho ukuthi manje lento engangenza indlela engithanda ngayo lo mama wenza izinto even lezi angazenzi kwabanye. Abuye mekuthiwa uhambile ngiphatha neshiyo gathi eyami ngedwe understand into efana nalezo kanti lokho eqinisweni kwakumamosha abanye abantwana.
Okay.
Including nabo labefundisi kwakubamosha ngoba kwakuba ngathi because abanye babo nje bebefika babekhuthala bapheke yabo bethandwa na umama la ekhaya. So ukufika kwami kwangathi ngithatha indawo yabo. Yaba kanjalo and two nemkhuba babeyenza laphayana ezangi-gay out of closet bona bekwi-closet bebefika bebafundisi befike namasanzi abasey'nkonzweni bebefika laphayana uthi mebebheka mina I think noma bebheka umuntu abangaqhudelana naye noma umuntu ongabathathela lama-sons abo
okay
whereby mebebheka bazobona umnakwabo indlela babengitreat-a ngayo abasabangitreat-a as one of iy'ngane but sebezongitreat-a umnakwabo sebezongithuma more than bona sebezofuna ngibaphekele by force mangabe ngifika mhlawumbe ngibizele ekamereni for nothing but ngoyihlosa kungikhombisa ekamereni ukuthi bafuna ngibone ukuthi okay umfundisi bani banophathi nendawo ama-sons lawa awuthiwa amanyanga la bakotelene bafuna ngibone ukuthi impilo futhi ngeke ngize ngiyithole as a gay person bona in-clothes baphila kangcono because vele mase mhlawumbe ngixisha yona awuye ugqoke iy'ngubo musu kuba nje fana nathi yabona you understand
I want to speak about that I find ukuthi the people that are in the closets babukela phansi kubantu aba-feminine nabantu aba-out there kanjani yabo nje bona lento leyo ishoyo ukuthi bathi musu kwenza kanjena enza kanjena bona phela bayazazi uba abafundisi and baphila leyo mpilo leyo yokuyifihla noyimpilo yokuyisaba but uthi bona baze bafuna ukubona ukuthi benzani bafuna ukuthi ubone wena ukuthi benzani
yes inhloso yami ngicathi kwakuyileyo mhlawumbe noma ngoba as I said ukuthi bangangibheki I think bangasangibhekisi wengane basayibona umnaka umuntu ozosimebona lento ayihalele mhlawumbe ayilwele or
noma babefuna ukuthi mhlawumbe uphazamiseke wena uphazamiseke okholweni ufune lezi zinto lezi abazenzayo
yes into engicathi nje kwakukuphazamiseka kwamala nje lokuphazamiseka kwakufanele kuphazamiseke nje mina ukuthi ngingakhonti ngifile ngibhekane nabo nje yes into engayakuthi kufanele ngibhekane nabo ngoba phela manje eqiniso lento engiyiboni inhlanhla ngumuntu ovulashaya indiva yonke ngikubonile kodwa ngivele ngikuphebeze bangibiza into bangibisa banko omunye ngimbiza after ngimmassage ngize ngifike emasendeni inhloso yakhe
umngakanani lapho wena
age of 14 to 15
oh my god
bafuna inhloso yakhe angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni futhi kona leyo nto leyo and babuye futhi baphahla bakhipha amagama a-strong asenginiswa yimesha sengunami engikwaze manje.
Okay.
Like amanye
Banqume.
yes, amanye noshi.
Oh.
Kanjalo.
Have they ever like okay, they sound like very perverts.
Yes, because other day ngangafika ngizofuna no hair ngiyifuna lamakhwapha but washo kuqala lo means wabuza umfundisi ke wathi uzoyenzani no hair washo lo sayi uyo clean inosh waza clean inosh engangakalazi
Ish.
ngingazwini inosh
Ayikithi sebeyazama nje kodwa mhlawumbe kwani.
Bona bebonga I can say abakaze bazama ebekade bezama izingane zabo lezi abenade beyisebenzisa but lento ade bezenzisa na private sesifuna as you know phela into masuyiqalile uyiqalile so bona base befuna nje uyikhiphela kimi lento ngoba phela ngikhona legcikeni angithi
Okay.
so yabo sibona noma bebefisa bakuphelele endleleni uma uzoqala itopic engacacile nje kahle yabona kodwa kuphelele endleleni
Ungasho ukuthi kubaleka kanjani ukuthi mhlawumbe uma uyi-Christian uhlangabezana nevunguvungu eningi.
so much
Kubaleka kanjani ukuthi wena as a person ungabaleki okholweni? Because yabo with me ade kutshela ukuthi sengicwaseke kakhulu emasontweni seyize ngisabe nanoku enkonzweni but wena after so much that's being said and done to you usakhona okholweni and you still put uNkulunkulu phambili.
Hayi guys kusimo iqiniso angazi nje ichaza kanjani leyo because nami namanje ngisana still have questions ukuthi kuzinto esengidlule zona yonke into ngisho kuthiwa kubhigi kangakanani even kuthiwa manje kune-brand ethile ngifisa ukusebenzisana naye isimini esikanjalo and ithi icela imali engaka ukuze kwenzeke something anginabazala obvious uma ngiyiphathele mina so ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyanqonqoza sangilala akuveli ndawo ngivele ngikhale ngitshela inkosi nginjalo angiphume ngiye kubantu ngiyokuthiwa gquma abaningi abathi gquma sebenza ngabantu wena ulanda abantu angiyangihlula ngithi ngiplana akwenzeki akwenze so angazi kuhle ngihleli nje inkosi kuhlalekile kona
Umentionile nje umsebenzi wakho earlier on ukuthi manje usuwenza umsebenzi okuhambisa okuqhelalanisa okholweni and kodwa ubikile enkosini awungichazela nje umsebenzi wakho ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona futhi nala ekhaya but speak about iRoxy Moke iBlack Door agency yakho
okay firstly I'm no longer at Black Door angisabelongi khona
okay
sengiyi-Roxy After Dark my own brand now
Roxy After Dark
yes so iBlack Door mina nayo saqala ukuhlanganiswa ukuthi babefike la ekhaya ngihoste i-underwear party
yes
so baba abantu abazo-surprise nje bangifonela bathi kwi-event yakho siyakwazi nokuvela yabona yes ngathi akunankinga so bakwaba abantu abavela kanjalo ku-event yami bebevela ngawuthanda baperforma nami ngayithanda into engayibona I love the twerking ngoba ngiyayithanda into eyi-art
yes
ngawuthanda umsebenzi ababewenza after lokho angigxilanga kubona ngaqhwana nemisebenzi engiwenzayo ama-event engiwenzayo ngathola i-approach from ukubona futhi i-approach ngayithola ngokuthi babone ile time ngidiscipline the gays about ukuthi ema ufike eklabhini musho remember day one ukuthi asizile thina as ama-curator azile uzodila nawe wedwa but sizodila nani nonke yes kumele senze show ukuthi mangabe ufikile Sandi wena eklabhini nami ngafika kumele ngenze show ukuthi uSandi mangabe eklabhini ephuma kusasa into emenza athi bekumnandi at Pride of Durban umaskandi I should play umaskandi aphume naye ima kwi-gospel mase ikhiphe i-gospel sonke sophuma sanelisekile angakhona umuntu ozothi hayi mina Roxy Moke mina ngithanda igqomu lidlala igqomu walidansa sekudlule kwabanye masuwena usuthi bekubhora asebenzi kanjalo so ngakho into kanjalo iBlack Door approach from there yathi ithanda iWinsdom yami icela ukusebenza nami kanje ngoba ngangabazi ngashawa uvalo kwangaya ngiya kuma brand engikwazi amakhulu ngicela niba ngithosi le company bayayazi kwaukuthi hayi Roxy we know it
okay enough about Black Door sesiba advertise kakhulu ngifuna sikhulume Roxy After Dark
okay iRoxy After Dark ngivule manje ngaphambi ngoba sengishile eBlack Door
with the experience that you got from there wayiqalela into yakho
ngase ngiyiqalela into
I love that
ngase ngiyiqalela into yami ngoba phela igcina usuku iBlack Door yaseGoli mina la eDurban mina ophethe iTheku manje la so I'm sure kumele ngiqale into yami for amagezi aseThekwini engazi ukuthi okay maye eGoli kuyazi ukuthi yaseThekwini so into sami kwakuyile ngase ngithi I think sekuyisikhathi sengikuphethe konke manje maningi ama-brand asekwazi ukuthi angithembe ngeBlack Door ngasondelana nawo ngathola usizo futhi kuwona I think even now uma ngase ngaqonto yami azokwazi ukuthi aqhubeke angithwale
yini eniyenzayo nina lapha ku-company yakho
okay iRoxy After Dark i-provide i-massage ngokuhlukana kwawo ama-exotic dancers mase siyakwazi athana ama-bachelorette parties
so ama-massage enziwa wena noma ukwasha ama-models akho okay to give out massages okay just a massage because I know with some agencies it goes ukuthi i-massage iphelele lapho is it only i-massage or it goes to ukuthi athi umuntu ngicela i-night ngicela i-dance ngicela i-blow
okay ngeke ngathi ngikhuluma izinto kanje but
No,
okay,
no,
let me
I
say
mean,
it-
like-
let me say it, okay, it's fine. Kukhona konke sinama service.
It's an escort company.
Yes. Sinama service more a private ozowathola usungene ngaphakathi.
Okay.
Yes. But izinto esikubekela zona nje obala ukuthi sinama exotic dancers. Kanjalo siyakwazi ukuthi ukusibukha for i-photo shoot if
Okay.
ufuna ukudayisa impahla uyakwazi uthola kusemuke akukhiphele umuntu ozokufithela impahla zakho akwenzele i-fashion.
Mangaka ama-models esenenawo la eThekwini?
Okay, ama-models asenginawo manje la eThekwini I think out-13.
Awu-13.
Yes.
And abantu abathanda ukuthi bajoyine ama-requirements enu wona maphi?
Okay, firstly nje after Rocks After Dark umzimba wakho into yokuqala nje.
Umzimba wakho. So
Yes.
six pack. Are you only? Is it only for females or males?
Both of them.
Okay.
Yes, both
So
of them.
there's okay. It caters for both males and females. In our models, futhi are both males and females.
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, kuba kanjalo ukuthi ke I provide if ufuna umuntu ozofisela impahla zakho and akwenzele promote zona, and if ufisa ukuba ne bodyguard yakwazi ukuthi ngiprovide futhi bodyguard.
Okay.
Yes. If ufisa i-security yalo la company ethi idinga i-security ngiyakwazi
Bouncers.
Yes. Ama-security bouncers, yes.
Yeah.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi provide izinto ezifana nalezo.
Then what's your role here?
My role here from today ngizoba i-coordinator.
Uyavula.
Yes,
Yeah.
ngiyavula namhlanje la ekhaya ngizoba i-coordinator la ekhaya ama-event amakhulu onke azobhekana nami. If kukhona the celebrate if hosta something ikhuluma nami imini obhekana nalezo zinto.
Yeah.
Wonke ama-event nje amakhulu azobe sebhekana nalo from today.
That's amazing. See, Black Life sizothanda ukuthi senze i-screening la ekhaya where we invite everyone to come and watch this show. I think that's going to be a very amazing thing, especially for our guest and Nina, for people to actually understand what is your story. Uyabo. Can you tell me about your biggest dreams? Njengoba usula usufikile, what is it that you want to achieve? Because ulaphayana Black Door ufikile wathatha knowledge waqala iloluzana yakho. Next move from here, are you opening your own place? Are you looking to that? Are you looking to partner? What is it?
Okay, from here
Yeah.
ngiyakubeka ngokuthi indawo kwamanje akuyona into engasethi ngisasemqondo emthandazweni wami.
Yeah.
Angakafiki kulelo sokuthi ngase ngicela indawo.
Eh.
But okwamanje isifisa ukuthi ngibe nama-models afikela ko-40.
Yes.
Ngizibona ngisasana nama-brand ahlukene, ngibona ama-models ami and uNkulunkulu emuhle-ke nginama-models ami ako-TV
Yeah.
ababhukhwayo kumina like inimba.
Yes.
Babhukhile bayabhukha kumina ama-models emzini.
Yes.
They got a model from
That's
me.
amazing. That's
Yes.
amazing.
Yes. So uNkulunkulu emuhle sifisa
How do
ngibe
people
so.
join?
Okay, if you wanna join, we are applying.
You reach out to when?
Yes, uzakubhekana nje nami. It's either email or no WhatsApp.
Buka lapha. Utshele nje abantu.
Okay, if you wanna apply, we are going to send WhatsApp, we are going to send email. You provide us with a full body picture yako, half naked picture, full information yako, okunye sesiqoqa thina sesibona na face to face. Kodwa into ebalekile umzimba wakho unositshela ukuthi kahle kahle ubani singakwazi ukusebenzisa sikufake iphuthu ngaphezulu. Yes, sisebenzisa nje inamba WhatsApp, sisebenzisa futhi ne-emails.
Ibizi nami.
Inamba it's 069 949 8277.
Iphinde.
069 949 8277. Rocks After Dark Studio. Email umuke siyabonga .com @gmail.com.
Yes.
Silapho nje bazalwane.
Facebook.
Facebook nguRoxy Muke, likhona futhi ne-page le-business it's Rocks After Dark. Siyatholakala futhi nakhona. Kanjalo na TikTok ngikhona futhi uRocks After Dark, na Instagram sikhona futhi uRocks After Dark Studio.
I'm going to wrap this up kanje. Guys, uRoxy Muke uqale i-agency yakhe for people who want to be exotic dancers, ama-strippers and people who offer ama-services for the dark world. When I say the dark world, I mean like private bookings, njalo njalo. So if you're looking for TV bookings, you want to join an agency, nomzimba omuhle, because abanye abantu abama-models bayasho ukuthi oh no, how did you join modeling? So it's ngayibone lo muntu nje wangitshela ukuthi uyamcontacta uRoxy Mukena if you'd like to if you have a celebrity that you'd like to bring here for bookings, or contact uRoxy. Ku Facebook ubani?
nguRoxy Muke.
TikTok.
TikTok sengisese page eli-1 personal and business uRocks After Dark.
Roxy After Dark. Guys, Sila, a pride of Durban, and we'd like to send a big shout out to Black Life TV, a big shout out to Cypher Clothing, and a big shout out to Mr. Manzandlela for actually making this dream come true for us, telling LGBTQI stories. Like, share, and subscribe. Sandile Sandine across social media platforms. Thank you.
Black Life Traditional Pharmacy izimpande zama-Afrika. Sikulethela konke ongakudinga. Sisebenzisa imvelo kokulapha, sididiyele izimpande, kwahlanganiswa ongoti abahamba phambili kwezokulapha ngesintu. Senzela wena. Sikhona isikhafula sokubuyisa isithandwa sakho, ukuthola umsebenzi, ubuyisa umuntu wakini owaduka. Sikhona neziwasho. Sikhona isiwasho sokugeza isichitho, ube nogazi, uthandeke ebantwini, ukususa amathunzi amnyama, nokuvula izinto zakho zikale phansi abantu bakuthande. Siyabasiza nomama uma unenkinga umhlume, ama-ulcer, i-cancer, i-BP, ushukela, ama-fibros, uvule nesibeletho ukuzothola abantwana. Siyabasiza nosisi ukukhuphula isitofu sibeke ku-6, indoda ikuthande kakhulu izikuphi imali. Nobaba sebasiza ukuqinisa idonkipiri, umthetho uqine endlini. Wenza umuntu wakhe athande wena wedwa, alangazelele wena wedwa futhi uphinde uvikele umkakho. Woza kithi epharmacy, eBlack Life Traditional Pharmacy.
It's the Black Life TV.